Well, California has now administered more than 6 million vaccine shots, now at a pace of 1 million a week, and it is set to ramp up distribution even further with outside help. Today, the state released some new details of an agreement with Blue Shield. And here's Ashley Zavala with that new information.
Health insurance giant Blue Shield is now building and preparing to manage a new vaccine distribution network across California. Governor Gavin Newsom's administration released details of the contract Monday. The state is set to pay Blue Shield up to $15 million for the service. Blue Shield's network will include health systems, hospitals, clinics, pharmacies, mass vaccination sites, and mobile clinics. Under the contract, Blue Shield's network is expected to distribute 3 million doses per week by March 1st and 4 million by the end of April. Blue Shield will manage monitoring and oversight of vaccine data and report it directly to the state, but the state will continue to make it public through its own dashboards. Overall, state leaders say the contract aims to make vaccine distribution more efficient, accessible, and equitable. California will establish a monthly percentage goal of vaccinations completed for those in under-resourced or disproportionately impacted parts of the state. State data Monday showed 6 million total shots have been administered in California. The governor says the state is now averaging about 1 million doses a week. Newsom's administration has been scrutinized for a slow rollout of its vaccine distribution.
There's a lot of confusion up and down the state.
Republican Assemblyman Jim Patterson says he's looking forward to and is optimistic about the state's deal with Blue Shield. He says he spoke with Blue Shield officials recently about the plan.
I have confidence that if they will let Blue Shield do what they do best, we will have comprehensive clarity. They will unwind and untangle all of this confusion. If this works the way I hope it will work, the state will stand back with its bureaucracies and its technologies that are failing.
The contract ends at the end of the year. In Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, Fox 5 News.
Ashley, thank you.